So I've aligned now the two panels, the front panels facing each other, the right sides facing each other, to make sure that we get everything here aligned, because we need to attach the stop panel now to the one at the bottom. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is just attach the zip with some pins here, more or less where I think or can feel where it should be. So I'm attaching the zip now here, and I'm going to do another one pin here, and I'm just feeling my way through so that we can sort of align the zips and everything nicely with each other. I'm closing this fly here. Okay, so here as well at the bottom, let me see if I can. I'm just attaching the zip to the front panel now, to the left front panel. Hopefully I can do it properly, because I need to open it up later. So we will see when we sit there in front of that machine. Everything must be nicely aligned as far as possible, because I think if you do this method a lot, then it can be easy, but I couldn't find anything, so I just figured it out myself. Okay, so now when we turn it over, let me do this first. Let me pin this part here, make sure that it's straight, because this is an important part. Here we're going to overlock the curve here at the bottom. So okay, so now when we open it up, the zip is now nicely attached there, so it's straight. So this thing is going to move over here now, like this, like we did in the beginning, just like this. And then when we open the zip, the flap will be at the bottom. And when we look at the back, it doesn't look very neat here, but we'll tidy it up. First of all, I think it's important just for us to get the zip attached here. So let me open these ones, take them out. And then I need to take these ones out like this. That one must stay. And now what we're going to do is we're going to stitch the front part. We're going to stitch here now. Okay, so those ones are nicely lying there. So we're just going to stitch there now, that part there, and then it's closed. And then when you open it up, the zip will be there. So let us go there to the machine and see.